with Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty, and you are on the Really Mary Show. My guest, and we are following this home along, is Jason Bailey with FCI Homes. Hello, Jason.
Hey, how are you?
Good. So you got to give me a Really Mary.
Really, Mary?
That's a good one. So today, Jason, we've been following this home along, and we have walls. So talk about what's been happening since we last were together.
Yeah, we have walls. So the last time we were here, they were getting ready to pour the slab. The slab's obviously done. So they've done all the block walls. Once the block walls are done, they put steel all over the place in these walls, tying from the slab, the footer, all the way up. Then once the walls are done, you have this concrete beam called a tie beam that runs around the whole perimeter of the house. On this house, we also have poured concrete columns in addition to the walls. When they're pouring this tie beam, there's a whole bunch of these block walls that are filled solid full of concrete. So it is very strong. And then you also see on top of the tie beam, there's all these metal pieces. Those are metal truss straps. When we put the trusses for the roof on this house and the trusses for the second floor, all of that stuff gets strapped and held down. So if there's hurricanes, tornadoes, anything, this stuff's not going anywhere.
It's not going anywhere. And quite honestly, that's the difference of building a home here in Southwest Florida versus building a home somewhere else.
Absolutely.
Now, I know we have a whole bunch of dirt out here beyond this, so let's go take a look at what's going to go on out here.
So out here we have a few things. We've got the covered lanai area out here, and then beyond that, where all this dirt is right now, we're going to have a pool, a spa, a pool deck area and all that, so that you've got a ton of outdoor living space on this house.
That's awesome. Now I see what's going around the perimeter, Jason, outside.
The perimeter is just another stem wall basically, so that's sort of the boundary of the pool deck. That also has a bunch of filled steel cells in it, and then as we get the pool shell poured and do all the plumbing and cover this up and pour concrete out here, that's all tied in together also.
So these babies aren't going anywhere. We have a storm. They can't push away with the water. They can't pull away with the wind. Right?
Pretty tough stuff we do down here.
It is. And on that end, when we come back the next time, you're going to get to see where the next step is. I'm Mary Bartos with the Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty, and we look forward to seeing you here in Southwest Florida, building a home with FCI Homes.